You read the title. In today's video, you kinda got clickbaited. But not really, because today, I'm gonna be interviewing some of your favorite Roblox development YouTubers. And they have made over millions of Robux and like a lot of game visits. So if you wanna skip around the video, there's time cards down below, and let's get into it. DeHapy. He has amassed over 10,000 subscribers on YouTube and just over 1 million views on his channel. Happy's Minigames, one of his first games he fully created. He mainly promoted it through YouTube, but spent around 2,000 Robux on ads, only for the game to get 5,000 visits and 500 Robux in sales, meaning a loss of 1.5k Robux. However, one of his better performing games is Cookie Clicker. The game was made in only a week, and the video had gathered over 90,000 views, with the game getting 20,000 visits. Lastly, his newest game, Button Simulator, has totaled in close to 500k views across different videos, and he also says that a lot of his success comes from his YouTube channel. DeHapy started on Roblox specializing only as a builder. However, over time, he started learning more about scripting to be able to create games all by himself. You know, maybe I should try that. But now, onto what you've been waiting for. How much Robux has he made? From all of his games, including the ones I talked about earlier, and others which I didn't go over, he has amassed over 90,000 Robux. Also, he has more than 120,000 game visits. Keep in mind that he's never done commissions, meaning that those 90,000 Robux are 100% from Roblox games. DeHapy also gave some words of advice. You can pause the video to read this, but in short, he said that it takes time to get better, but as long as you keep making small progress over time, you will undoubtedly get better as time goes on. Also, he again recommends creating a YouTube channel of your own, especially if you struggle getting players in your game. You can also promote your game through social media, not limited to YouTube, but also by posting on TikTok or Twitter. Now, some final words from him, not me. He said to subscribe. And also, check out his shop. I'll leave the link in the description down below. It's an asset store where you can buy assets. Those are some crazy numbers, but it's about to get even more crazy, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. This is GamerM8, one of the most OG Roblox developer YouTubers, and he makes Roblox Studio and Blender content such as challenges and tutorials. So I'll start off the interview by asking the same question I asked DeHapy. What are some of your most successful games? His most popular game is Birthday Party Story, with around 11 million visits. Also, he's co-owner in the Happy Gamer Studio, putting another 22 million visits under his name. However, these numbers didn't come easy, as he started his Roblox development journey all the way back in 2017, with hundreds of unfinished games. A lot of this time, he spent slowly learning the ropes of Roblox Studio. However, in 2020, after 3 years of learning, he created Birthday Party Story, and it's only been up from there. Now, for the Robux. 6 years of Roblox development, GamerM8 has earned more than 2 million Robux. I also asked how many game visits he has. This is where things got crazy. It came up to 38,636,760. Wait, technical difficulties. He forgot to add one. So it's actually 50,436,760. So I bet you guys want to have stats like this. Well, he gave some great advice to newer devs. You can pause to read, but in short, he said to learn the basics first, organize your games, stick to one game, get feedback for your game, and advertise your game by getting YouTubers to play it. Another piece of advice he gave about getting Robux was to pick one skill, such as building or scripting, for example. From there, you can start taking commissions or getting hired for games. But make sure you get the right jobs. Sometimes the jobs are too complicated for too little pay. Oh wait, there's one more thing that he said. I think he said to subscribe and comment down below. Those are some great interviews, and I hope that you guys learned a lot. But wait, we're not done. So what are the key takeaways from this video? If you learned anything from this video, it's to use social media such as YouTube to get your game traction, and that it takes time. It took GamerM8 6 years to get where he is today. However, with more than 2 million Robux and more than 50 million visits, I'd say it was all worth it in the end. If you enjoyed this video, check out this other video on Roblox content. And also check out this video that YouTube thinks you'll like. This video took 1 month, so let's get this video to 1k likes, and I might make a part 2. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video.